Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 4. Chapter 4, retirement of partner. Okay, I am going to start it. In chapter 1 I have discussed introduction of partner, it means partnership fundamental. In chapter 2 I have discussed goodwill, and chapter 3 I have discussed admission of partner. Okay, 3 chapters you have already finished. Okay, and I have made more than 40 video regarding this chapter 1 to 3, and I am going to start chapter 4. Okay, retirement and death of a partner. This is day 1 video, chapter 4. It is most important chapter of your class. Okay, try to understand it, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Okay, try to understand. In this chapter I will discuss you gaining ratio. Okay, how will you calculate gaining ratio, and how will you calculate new profit sharing ratio? You will understand it. Okay, retirement of partner means what? Okay, retirement means suppose any partner, okay, who is not interested for doing the participation in the business, then he will retire it. Okay, otherwise his age is he is not willing to able the work, then he can retire it. Okay, there are many conditions. If he is going to retire, then it means what? Firm will not dissolve, firm will continue work. Okay, so according to Partnership Act 1932, firm will continue run, it will be not dissolved. Okay, so what is retirement of partner? I am going to solve the I am going to discuss problem and solution. In problem 1 I am going to discuss problem 1. Okay, Anil, Sunil and Preet are sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. Sunil retires, his share is taken by Anil and Preet in the ratio 2:1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. In problem 1 I am going to teach you calculate new profit sharing ratio. Okay, I am going to discuss problem 1 and I will also solve it. Okay, problem 1 and I am going to also solve it. Please see the video, and then you can understand it very easily. Okay, please see it. Hello students, how are you? Today I will discuss retirement of partner, retirement and death of a partner. Okay, in this class you will know about retirement. Okay, this is problem of retirement sums. Okay, this is problem day 1 I will discuss. Anil, Sunil and Preet are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Okay, this is the share of Anil, Sunil and Preet, 5:3:2. Sunil retires. Who retires? Sunil retires. This is the share. Sunil retires. His share is taken by Anil and Preet. Who is taken? Anil and Preet in the ratio of 2:1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. How will you solve this problem? I am going to discuss it. Please see this problem. This is problem. Okay, I am going to solve this problem. Try to understand. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Okay, calculation of new profit sharing ratio. We know very well the formula of new profit sharing ratio. Already I have discussed the new formula of new profit sharing ratio. इसको new share is equal to existing or old share plus acquired share. This is formula. From that formula we will solve this problem. Okay, How we will solve? I am going to discuss it. Please see it. Share taken by Anil out of Sunil's share. Share taken by Anil out of Sunil's share. Okay. So Sunil's share. Whose share? Sunil's share. Sunil is 3 by 10. This is Sunil. Okay. Sunil is 3 by 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Okay. Into new ratio is 2:1. The 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 10. Clear? Anil new ratio. Anil's new share is equal to old share plus gain. Old share plus gain. Okay, old share plus gain. Old share 5 by 10. Anil new share. Old share, this is Anil. Okay. Anil new share 5 by 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 by 10. 5 by 10 plus gain. Gain how much? 2 by 10. Okay, is equal to 7 by 10. Clear? 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. Completed. Share taken by Preet out of Sunil's share. Share taken by Preet out of Sunil's share. Sunil's share. Share taken by Preet out of Sunil's share. Sunil's share is, we know very well, share taken by Preet out of Sunil's share. Okay. The Sunil shares already you know, this is Sunil and this is share of Sunil 3. How much? 3. This is Sunil, this is share. Okay, 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 into Preet, this is Preet 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 30. Three ones are 3, 3 tens are equal to 1 by 10. Clear? Clear? So 1 by 10. Preet's new share is equal to Preet's new share is equal to old share plus gain. Old share is what? 2 by 10. Old share is 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Clear? Thus, new profit sharing ratio of Anil and Preet and Preet is equal to 7:10 plus 3, or you can write 7:3. 7:3. This is answer. Clear?
how 2 by 10 with new share, old share plus gain. 2 by 10, 2 by 10, this is 2 by 10, okay, and this is 7 by 10. This is 2 by 10, okay, 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10, okay, this is 2 by 10 and this is 1 by 10, okay, 2 by 10 plus 1 by 10, 3 by 10. Thus new share is new sharing ratio is equal to 7:10, 7 by 10, this is 7 by 10, okay, is to 3 by 10, this is 3 by 10, this is 7:3. This is solution. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel, okay.